Hi everyone! In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to set up a redirect after a user signs up in Getresponse. Once you're logged into Getresponse, click Create Autoresponder and give it a name. This is for internal use only, so make it something you'll recognize. Under the Send Message timing, choose same time as sign-up time so the email goes out instantly after someone subscribes. Add your email address in the From field and specify the reply to address. Enter a catchy subject line to grab attention. Click Design Message and choose a template. Customize it by adding your redirect link or other information you want the user to receive after signing up. Once you're satisfied with the email, click Save and Publish. Make sure the autoresponder is toggled on to start sending immediately. And that's it. Now, every time someone signs up, they'll automatically receive your email with the redirect information. If you're new here, grab your 30-day free trial of Getresponse using the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.